Hello, this is Brenda Dean, and today I'm going to teach you how to heat emboss and make a card just like this. We are using the Scenic Seasons stamp set from Stampin' Up, and the first thing I did before I started taping was to clean the stamp set with some Stampin' Mist and the scrub pad. The reason I did this was so that I know that the stamp set is completely clean and won't contaminate my Versamark. So next I'm going to use the Stampin' Up! Embossing Buddy and rub it all over my cardstock to eliminate the static and any oils that might be on the cardstock. I ink up my stamp with the Versamark. I'm going to ink it up well all over because I just want that one color on the Night of Navy cardstock. And then I'm going to just stamp my image. And I'm going to let the ink soak into the cardstock for a few seconds. Press it down all over. And there we have our Versamarked image. And now I'm going to cover it with, move my Stampin' Embossing Buddy out, with white Stampin' Emboss powder. I'm using a powder pal to keep my surface neat and be able to preserve. Oops, we have an extra, oops, that's just a hair. So I'm going to put that off. And then I'm just going to use a little paintbrush to carefully brush that little bit of powder off snow. And I noticed that there's a little bit more of the tree that's not covered. So I'm going to put a little bit more in. And there, let me just, there. So next, I'm going to use my heat tool and heat up the powder. As you can see here, it's starting to melt. I'm hoping you can see the color contrast there. And you can actually watch it spread across the card. It gets quite hot, so you have to be careful. And there's your finished card.